Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to import codes in Google Authenticator. Now let's begin. Right here, I'm simply gonna open up the Authenticator app in my mobile device. Right here is Authenticator. I'm simply gonna click on it. Well, as you can see, there are multiple accounts connected to my Google Authenticator. In case you have any issues regarding this, we have created a detailed video regarding what to do and what not to do. At the top right, you will find these three buttons. Simply click on it, and from here something like this will open up. Well, there are lots of options, but let's simply focus on the first option that says transfer account. Let's click on this button right here. Now it's gonna give you two options like this. You can either export accounts or import. It's giving you two options. What we want to do right now is simply import our accounts. Let's click on import accounts right here, and something like this will open up. It's giving us a few instructions, saying us to do the same as we just did, and instead of clicking import accounts, we click on export. Once you do that on the other device, a QR code will open up, and right here in this mobile device, at the bottom, you will see something like scan QR code. Click on the button right here, then scan the QR code from your new mobile device, and your accounts will be imported. Well guys, it's as easy as that. That's how you import codes in Google Authenticator. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. This support fuels us. Thank you.